Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Rolls Royce Wraith. First, let's get you comfortably seated. The Wraith features unique coach doors that open in reverse, making entry effortless. Once inside, take a moment to adjust the plush driver's seat and steering wheel to your perfect position. Ensure you have a clear view of the road ahead and all controls. Finally, always remember to securely fasten your seatbelt before you begin your journey, prioritizing safety above all else. Now that you're settled, it's time to bring the Wraith to life. With the key in place or by pressing the start button, you'll hear the magnificent 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine purr to life. Next, locate the gear selector, often a stock on the steering column, and understand its positions for park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Also, take a moment to identify essential controls such as the headlights, turn signals, and windshield wipers, ensuring you're ready for any condition. With the engine running and controls understood, let's move. Shift into drive and gently press the accelerator. You'll notice the Wraith's immense power, delivering 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, but with incredible smoothness. The steering is precise, allowing for effortless navigation. The advanced air suspension system works tirelessly to absorb road imperfections, providing an almost ethereal magic carpet ride, ensuring every journey is supremely comfortable and quiet. Finally, let's discuss parking and exiting your Rolls Royce Wraith. When you've reached your destination, select a spacious parking spot. The Wraith's sophisticated camera systems and parking sensors will assist you in maneuvering this grand vehicle with ease. Once parked, shift the gear selector into park and engage the electronic parking brake. To exit, simply open the coach doors, which can be closed with a touch of a button, and step out, maintaining the vehicle's inherent grace and sophistication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.